Hello, in this video I show you the location and how to remove and replace the cabin filter on Honda Accord. The cabin filter in this car is located behind the glove box. In order to get access to the cabin filter, we don't need to remove the glove box completely. We need to remove only the upper part of it. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. So first we will open the glove box and then we will squeeze the two upper parts of the glove box and take it out from its stoppers. And that's all you need to do with the glove box. Now we have access to the cabin filter. The cabin filter is right there behind this cover. There's two plastic tabs that we need to push in and then pull the cover out. And that's the cabin filter out. It's very dirty. We need to remove this cabin filter and put on a new cabin filter and look at the way the airflow is on this cabin filter so that you can put the new cabin filter with the same direction of airflow. Here I'm showing you how the cabin filter has to be fitted with airflow pointing down. Now that we've put in the cabin filter, we can put it back in the cabin filter housing and then bring up the glove box and then we're done. To close the glove box, you need to push it in and that's it. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.